Racing just is started with Valdez Fury break quickly restart. Moving up now on the outside, Counselor Forever Young in between horses. Shut up. The next online is Winning Habit, while Tricky Charlie's is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Valdez Fury by a length Forever Young in second. Shut up, and on the outside now is Winning Habit. Then next online is Tricky Charlie's, while Counselor now racing in less, and as they swing down the back, we have Valdez Fury by about 2 lengths. Shut up in second, Forever Young, Tricky Charlie's, Winning Habit, while Counselor is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Valdez Fury by about 3/4 of a length lead. Forever Young in second. Shut up, Tricky Charlie's comes next. Winning Habit, while Counselor is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Valdez Fury now by a length and a half. Going up now on the outside is Tricky Charlie's. Then on the inside is Winning Habit, or rather entry number 2, Forever Young. Moving up on the outside, Winning Habit. Shut up, Counselor as they swing for home. We have Valdez Fury by only a length and a half. Tricky Charlie's is on the outside second. Last 75 meters, we have Valdez Fury from gate to wire. The second is Tricky Charlie's. Then comes Forever Young, Counselor, Shut Up, and Winning Habit.
1-4-2-6 siya rin. Valdez Fury din ang ating